What's up guys, this is Bryce with Dust Runners Automotive Journal, and today we're going to install a Velossa Tech Big Mouth on the Fiesta ST.
We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard, and I wonder where you are. Mysterious, that's the part you always show, 'cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow.
Alright guys, so you might be wondering what is the point of the Velossa Tech Big Mouth, and the whole point of it is you need to get cold air from somewhere. You can't just be drawing in hot air from the engine bay. That's going to result in a high intake air temperature and ultimately higher charge air temperatures. So with the factory system, it does pull air from the grill. However, it does not pull a very large amount of air from the grill. So the Velossa Tech Big Mouth, it's essentially just a 3D printed snorkel that goes down in front of your grill to force more air up into the airbox area. So in my case, I have an aftermarket intake. That's going to funnel more cold air to my aftermarket intake, resulting in theoretically lower intake air temperatures and lower charge air temperatures. Realistically, I don't know that those are going to be noticeable. Like if you were to data log, I don't know if you're going to see that change. But one of the cool things is it just looks like a cool part. Like it's a badass looking part, and that's why a lot of people put it on. So, alright guys, that's it for this episode. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button if you like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.